Alright guys, so here we are right at the exit of the trail that we've been working on. It is finally finished. We've started trying to loop it back around and connect it, and actually where it loops back around is where all the building features come in, to where we're building jumps, banked turns, all that type of stuff. So the first step is going to be getting this electric fence out of the way and moving it actually behind, so none of the cows can get into my track, and it's all in the fence. But as you can see, we've already started scraping up the ground for this. We're obviously going to scrape that up too, but we just haven't gotten to it because the electric fence. But this is the start of it. There's a dragging iron behind that I need to get out of the way. But we've got all this dirt right here, and it leads up to over here. It goes up there, as you can see where my go-kart is, and then it's going to do a jump there and a turn, and then it's going to come back around this way right here, and it's going to go a little bit to the left of that feeding thing for the cows, and then it's going to come back around there and wrap up to the entrance up on the other side. So I'm going to actually walk you through the trail. So we just recently finished this trail. There's another video about me clearing some of it, but this is the very end of it, as you can see. So we had to cut down quite a few things in here. There were a bunch of little cedar saplings right here, and there was another tree over here. And then we cut those stumps really low to the ground so they didn't have anything, so we don't pop our tires on the stumps and run into them. So cut a tree down right there. There's a stump. Then there's another stump up here, but I don't know where it is because it's cut so low. So it goes in between these two trees, and it goes all the way up through here, all the way down that way, as you can see. It goes all the way over there. So that's the first half of the trees. I'll walk all the way through the rest. There's a bunch of poison ivy down here, so I gotta watch out for that. But basically, we can drive through this track, or we can drive through this woods trail, but we cannot yet go fast through it because we got sharp turns like this one right here, where it comes in through there. Oh, it's a new tree limb that just fell, I guess. Yeah, that's new. That just got there. It came from up there. Well, I'll have to move that, but comes all the way in through here and comes out this way. So this was the hardest part for clearing. I got my uncle to come in here and help me with the chainsaw. I'm gonna cut a bunch of stuff right there and cut some stuff back over here, and then we cut some of this stuff down, and we it's really close. It's about there. We just need to get rid of those little stems, kind of like this right here. We need to get rid of those because they can pop the tires. But then we had a huge stump that we cut right here. It's kind of cool looking, actually. It's a cedar stump, but yeah, it's kind of cool looking. But here's our brush pile, and then the track's actually going to come all the way out here. This is where it's going to start. This is the starting line right here, going in there, and then it's actually going to go down through here, and we're going to go all the way this way. So sorry about the shakiness of the camera. I'm not very good at holding it still, and it's also hard to film and walk and talk all at the same time. So here's where the track's going to come through. This is an old fan. We'll have to get rid of that, but it's going to come all the way down here and through here. So currently I'm waiting on the piece of equipment. It's being used at another one of our pieces of property right now, so I can't use it yet, but when it comes back, we're going to finish scraping this stuff up. And here's the fence again. We're coming up on the fence again. So the track actually goes that way. But here's another part that we scraped. So here's another start of where we scraped. We got all this dirt here. Gonna have to use that for a jump. And then yeah, it's going all the way this way, and it should be pretty good. I think we're gonna have a small banked turn right here, and then it's gonna go this way, and I believe we'll have another small banked turn right here as well, and then it's gonna come this way and go all the way that way. We'll just keep walking. That's where we started, right there. So it goes around these trees like I showed you earlier. And just keep it going all the way this way. And then right here is actually going to be another banked turn, and there's the go-kart like we saw at the beginning. So it's just going to come around here. Here's the first jump. It's actually going to come around there, and then it's going to jump right there, kind of perpendicular to these tires here. So it's going to come, I'm going to start over here. It's going to come this way, and then we need to clean some of these holes up, but it's going to come this way, and then it's going to turn like this. Here's a big hole we need to fix. And then it's going to keep turning, and then it's going to use that same jump to go a different direction. And that's when it's going to go back around the tree, which is where we just walked. So there you go. We just walked the whole track backwards. As you can see, we're starting construction of the outside of it to connect it back up. That's where we started, right over there. And we got some cleanup to do. We got some holes kind of right here and right there to clean up. Then we got those over there, and we need to finish building up that jump there. But once we've done all of that, we will be set, and we can just start building all the features, packing in the dirt for the jumps and the bank turns. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up pretty soon. But for now, that's all I got. So see you guys. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe on the video, and stay tuned for the next track building episodes. See ya.